going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can tell, I am nice and bundled up. It's not warm anymore. You know, I complained before about how the Midwest has been so crazy. It's been so hot. Early January, we were fishing this lake, open water for pike. It's actually my last video. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. Out here in the Chicagoland area, it's 0 degrees. It's super cold out here, but you know, we decided we haven't gone ice fishing in so long because this weather's been crazy. We're gonna come up today regardless of how cold it is. So Justin's gonna be coming up here today. I'm gonna be fishing with him. He just picked up bait. He's gonna be here in about 10 minutes or so. So the game plan for today is pretty much we're gonna put up tip-ups, we're gonna put up dead sticks, you know, all stuff like that, you know, because we're gonna try to catch some big pike cruising through, big bass cruising through. Justin's had a lot of luck this year so far, and he's gotten, I think he said 2 5s through the ice and a 4-pounder through the ice. So that's really good. That's the goal today. So Justin's gonna get here pretty soon. We're gonna set up the live bait stuff, and then meanwhile, I'm gonna start jigging, and it's gonna be a heck of a day. Stay tuned. Hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Gonna be some more dope ice fishing videos this winter. Stay tuned, and let's do it. All right, Justin just got here, got the live bait, and we got a bunch of big shiners. This is some monster pike bait right here. We got about we got about like maybe 5 or 6 holes drilled all around here, and he's got like a jaw jack or something like that. It's like the automatic fisherman. We got some tip ups, and then we're gonna set up the shanty, jig in the middle, stuff like that. And I think pretty soon we'll hook up on a big pike. I know some guys down there have got hooked up, so we're gonna drop this bad boy on down and see if we can't get hooked up. Probably just need 2. Did it go off? My GoPro, I thought it was already off. Oh yeah, dude. Oh. Got him? Yeah. Nice, first fish. We've been here for what? Like 10 minutes? Well, yeah. You've been here for 10 minutes. Oh gosh.
Ooh, this might be a pike or a big bass. Big bass.
Big bass. Right away. Justin, you were saying this is a good bass hole too.
It's not a beast, but
oh,
it's a nice one.
Still a nice one. Yeah. Check it out, dude. Nice.
Sweet. You know what, dude? I think the automatic went off and missed him, and then he just came
back and hit it. Yeah.
Look at that, nice.
That's
bass.
A beauty, dude. Justin's first of the day. We've been here for about 10 minutes. A beauty on the automatic hook setter thingy. What a beauty, man.
It's a nice fish. Not
even all set up yet.
No.
Awesome.
Now we'll get this guy back. It's cold out here.
She goes. Nice, dude. Oh. Moving though, you see?
That happened when we had a pike here and an automatic, and it didn't even pop the auto. He was just sitting down there with it.
I mean,
what a big one. It's to the side. There's definitely something on.
I don't feel anything yet. I don't feel anything. Maybe a little way along. Got something. Oh yeah.
Got him?
Oh yeah.
You filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Oh, that's a pike.
Oh, baby. All right, boys. All right. Well, me and Justin were just sipping on some coffee. Some guy's tip-up went off, and I just looked to my left, saw the flag was up. I didn't even think anything of it. I was like, oh, flag's up. And then I was like, wait a second. Flag's up.
That's definitely a pike by the run it took.
Oh, yeah.
That's for sure.
So once we get to that swivel, it gets pretty close. It's all right. All right, not bad, bro. Decent. This one's bleeding a little bit, so we're not gonna keep her out for too long, but there it is, first pike for me this winter on the tip up. You can see I'm all bundled up here, it's freezing. And we're probably just gonna put her back and take a quick picture with the iPhone because I'm gonna get hypothermia in about 13 seconds, but still a beauty. Beautiful pike, we'll slide her down in 1 second. We're gonna put her on back right here. And there she goes. Boom! Oh, my hands are so cold. Nice fish. Let's go. Auto went up. She moving?
Man, this thing's taking pictures again.
Oh my gosh. That thing is screaming.
It's either big old bass or...
Right there, nice.
Please start filming. All right. Too bad I missed that run.
Yeah.
This feels heavy, dude. This might be a big
bass. All right, third fish hooked up on the day.
This feels so heavy.
Pike, it's a nice pike.
Jeez Louise.
Oh, dude, that's a beauty.
That run.
good one, dude. Oh yeah, check that out.
That's a nice one.
That's a great pike. Oh look at. Oh, it's
Right
barely
on
in.
the
Look at
side.
that. Barely in, guys. Check that out. Barely in. Look at that, dude. Oh god, it came
God.
out and into me. Hold on. Look at that bad boy. Oh, that's a great pike for you here, huh?
Yeah, that's a really nice one for here.
Oh,
what would you say? This is probably 30 inches.
Oh yeah, at least, man. It's fat too. That's a nice one.
It's a nice fat one. I'm trying to get this.
Your GoPro messing up?
Yep, it's taking pictures. It's taking pictures again. Whatever, I got it on film. All right, let's get her back.
Beautiful pike.
She's already starting to curve. She's ready. There she goes.
Boom.
Right.
Nice, dude. That was sick. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Woohoo! Oh gosh. Just went up like crazy.
Okay, he's on big time right now. That's a pike.
Well,
100%. Oh yeah.
feels okay, but nothing crazy.
The contraption worked, bro.
The contraption will. First time in a long time this stupid contraption has worked for me.
Kate's probably got, I'm gonna guess a pike.
It's pike. Nothing crazy, but
Hey man.
fish is a fish, dude.
There's a fish.
Did he lose me? No, I still got him. I thought I was stuck on the bottom of the ice. It scared
That
me.
rod was bending like crazy.
Oh, I know. Okay, come on.
Good spot here, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring another pole over here, set this one up.
Good thinking.
We've been dead for about 20 minutes.
He looks fat, doesn't he? Or is he just short? It's a
Yeah,
pike.
yeah, it's a pike. Nothing crazy though.
Just short and stumpy.
Yeah, I think that's exactly what it is. Short, stumpy, and a lot of energy. Yeah,
Dude, that might be a nice one, actually.
it might be, bro. Ah, that's not bad.
not bad.
Yeah, look at that. That's
Nice
a beauty,
fish,
man.
Dude.
Whew,
There you go.
that's a nice
My
one.
finger up.
Ooh, nice one on the contraption right in the side of the mouth.
Look at that.
Let's see if we can just poke it out right in the side there. When first fish in about 20 minutes comes right out. That's a beauty right there, man. Woo-hoo.
I'm gonna go get the big camera.
And there's Christian. All right, so this contraption finally, for the first time, I think this might be the first time ever it's actually worked. Finally went off cut. That's actually a decent pike.
Yeah, it's not bad at
We're
all.
gonna hoist her back in. Got some pictures. We're gonna slide her back in. Oh, she's ready.
She's ready to go.
Woo! Let's go, baby.
All right,
Nice. Let's go.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Oh.
Set it.
Got him? Woo!
Dude, that's a decent feeling fish. Just keep it tight. Keep it tight, keep it tight. It's coming at you. Oh, it's a
Oh.
big bass.
Oh, it's a big bass.
Huge.
It's huge.
Justin! Justin!
Oh my god. Dude, that is a monster bass.
I thought it was a pike.
Yes, I did too.
Oh my.
Just saying. 5.13.
Yeah, 513.
513.
That's one of the
Here.
monsters, bro.
Yep, pull those up. That is a beauty, man. Wow.
That's one of the 5
That looked like a
monsters
pike
out
the
here.
whole
I
way.
know, dude.
The whole way.
Dude, I can't believe that.
That is huge.
Wait, what happened to this tip up?
Did the flag just fall off it or something? Wait, what? The flag was on it the whole time. Unless it like just completely fell off.
Unless it just got set and it.
I don't think there's anything on it. It's not going really anywhere. Feel nothing. I'll just. Well, there is something on it.
Really?
Wait. Something little maybe? I got something. Oh yeah, now it's starting to. What the heck? The flag just flew off.
Up.
The flag flew off this. That is weird. I guess I didn't put it on good enough. So we just got.
Dude, the flag popped off the tip up and I was like, why is a flag on the ground?
Yeah, this is pretty much a double up.
Oh, nice pike, nice pike, nice pike, nice pike. I don't want to force that one up. Okay, now we'll pull it back up again for the 6th time. I need a shot in the big camera with this one. Oh, great. This guy, hopefully he doesn't yell at us. Oh, don't lose that, Cade. Oh, that's a thick pike, bro.
Nice pike. Get him, Carl.
Shit.
Hear me?
What was that?
Picture ID with a address on it.
I don't have my wallet on
I
me.
don't either. I'm calling the police then.
Really?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Put her up. Nice fish, man.
Nice fish.
It's a fat one.
Look at that.
It's not bad at all. We're barely hooked. Right in the mouth. There she goes.
Okay.
There she goes.
Jump along on this lake. Private lake. We pay for it. Just back. Pack your shit up and get out of here. I don't want to hear any more lip.
He's taking a picture. He's taking a picture of him. There he is. That's the guy. That guy's standing outside, kicking us out. We know someone that lives on the lake, doesn't believe us. So we're packing up and leaving. But he's standing there waiting till we leave, bro. This guy's crazy. We just caught a fish in front of his face too, which is awesome. Great pike, by the way. So I want to put this down and meet you guys back at the car. You got one? Did you really? Oh gosh. They just hooked up in front of the guy.
It's on the ice.
Right in front of the homeowner? Are you guys kidding me?
Dude, what is this? This is
Were you about to pick it up and it just went off?
No, the rod bent.
I'm guessing a nice, real nice bass.
Get that prime footage. I gotta get back.
You gotta send me this.
Oh, this is
My GoPro
hilarious.
there.
Is it stuck? Is it off?
No, he's still on.
Are you serious?
Dude,
What is that?
That's just a fish. This thing's huge. Going this way now.
Oh, there's some weeds.
Oh, it's a big pike.
Big pike? Big pike?
Oh my god!
Alright, don't John be this.
Oh. Oh my god, baby! Let's go!
Jeez.
That's a nice bite!
It was all in the mud.
Dang!
That's a beauty.
That's a beauty.
Wow.
That's the biggest pike out of here. That's the biggest pike out of here.
He is fat too.
What a great way to end the day.
Here, someone grab Justin's phone and take a picture for him real quick. Stay there. That's perfect. Do not move. Oh, that's so perfect for a thumbnail.
33?
Solid 33, man. That's so fat though.
It's a thick fish.
That's a beauty. Slide her back, nice and easy. Look at that, man. It's unreal. Boom! You did it. Good stuff, man. That's crazy, bro. Well, just finished editing this banger, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video that I just finished editing, and I'm filming the outro now because I may or may not have forgotten to film an outro the day of. So it's about 2 days later, and I just realized, like, oh, I was gonna put the outro in the video, and I was like, wait a second, I didn't film an outro. I'm doing it now, sitting here at the Slinger Station, as I call it. It's where I edit the videos and play Fortnite. This video is definitely long enough, so I do want to keep this outro pretty short. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. It was a super fun day. Unfortunately, as the fishing was picking up, this dude had to come out there and kick us out. Definitely gonna be ice fishing pretty soon. I might be going this weekend and looking for some muskie through the ice. Definitely gonna be interesting, so stay tuned. If you guys are new here, definitely subscribe to the channel. And also, down below, I'm gonna put a link to my buddy Justin's channel. You gotta hit him up with a subscription. He just posted his version of the story just now, so you definitely want to check that out. Hit him with a sub. Great guy, and he's just getting into the filming, so subscribe to him. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. We're gonna be some more bangers coming up this winter, and we will see you guys next time. Stay safe, stay warm. See ya.